Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So, here I come with my October reading. So, how is my white light tribe? Yeah, I hope you all are great. And let's start with Capricorn. So, let's see what we have for Capricorns in October. So, I hope you all are liking my videos. Right? I've come up with new topics, more to come. Healing video. Okay. Now, let's see October Capricorn. Well. Okay. So, October Capricorn. Right now, Capricorns want to have everything under their control. Okay, this is their state of mind. They want to control everything, especially their family, because they feel that they have given a lot, they've done a lot, so now it is my time to rule. That is the state of mind. At the same time, I feel you're also looking out for good and better relationships. Like I said, you choose your family. You can't choose your family, but you can definitely choose your friends. You can definitely choose your relatives too sometimes. Sometimes I'm saying, not always. So that is what Capricorns are in that state of mind. Okay. The first week of October for Capricorns is going to be, they are going to be in their element. They're going to be totally in control of themselves. They're going to be, if you're a working business, you're going to be even more independent, having good offers around you, or maybe you will be, you might have an appraisal or something, or some upliftment of, energy, like maybe mentally you'll become that strong and, independent. I feel could be position might change. If you are on a lower level, you might go on a higher level. If in a business, your business start doing better, and so on. The first week. The second week, I feel there's a lot of distance, communication coming from distance, work coming from distance, like out of India, maybe out of the city or something like that. Also, there is a lot of divine intervention. Now, divine intervention comes when you are always praying and manifesting things and things haven't moved. So I feel that some healing, some divine energy is going to interfere in the second week of October for you, Capricorn, so that you can, heal in your life. Okay, so the healing could come through a person, or just by watching some video like I make content, or anyone else, not me, but anyone else suggesting something and you chanting some mantra and suddenly things start changing. So there is some kind of healing, or maybe you might see a healer or something like that. Also, both the things, some divine intervention and some distant work coming to you. Okay, this third week is all into your self, your emotions. You are uplifted in emotions. I'm not saying you're going too emotional, becoming too needy. No, you're uplifting in your emotions. You are, actually doing well at work. You are in control of everything. Okay, that kind of energy in the third week. And fourth week, Capricorns, you are getting into self-love. You're getting into self-love. You're getting into that emperor energy. You have worked hard. Now I will rule. I have done everything that was needed. Okay, and now I am going to rule. So that kind of energy is coming to you in the fourth week. Possible that if you are working under somebody like your boss, or your, somebody who's maybe a level above you, will also start favoring you. Yep, a lot of masculine energy, a lot of ruling energy, a lot of self-love energy, because when you are in that kind of a state of mind, you are always looking out for yourself more than you're looking out for others. Yeah, so beautiful month for you, Capricorns. I feel the first week is all in control, work happening good, maybe upliftment, appraisal, promotion. Second week is all healing or distant communication. Third week, you're into that total emotional control. You know whom to entertain and whom not. And the fourth week is all like an emperor. Like an emperor, like position, power, and all into self-love. And also somebody who is in that position will favor you. Okay, so let's see what we have for Capricorns in the month of October for relationship. So, relationship cards. You all keep asking me, ma'am, which cards, even on YouTube and Instagram. Please, I made a video on what cards I have, so go and look out for that. I had made it last year in the quarantine time. I had showed you all my cards, and now the number is increased, so 50 tarot cards, maybe more, and I keep buying every day. So yeah, I can open a nice shop of tarot cards. Okay, let's see Capricorns. Yeah, relationship. So in a relationship, Capricorns, you're confronting yourself. I normally take this card as an inner child card. Okay, you are actually confronting your inner child. Maybe in the past you must be having attention issues. Maybe in the past you must be having some kind of issues where you have made mistakes. See, we do make mistakes because of our certain kind of mentality or certain kind of outlook in life, right? So sometimes we are looking into ourselves, and that is October will be the time you will look into yourselves in your relationship area especially. Okay, you are having a lot of offers for relationship, love, okay, but you are not looking at them. Why? Because you're confronting yourself. See, you're not looking at them. You're confronting yourself. You're asking yourself what I want, what I actually want, and where I want to stand, right? So what I will say is, there's a card of rebuilding. Okay, I feel you're going to rebuild your own old relationship. Maybe somebody from the past will come back to you, or you're going to existing relationship, if you're in, you might try to rebuild and clear things out and make it better. Okay, you are going to trust. See, trust has been a very big factor for you in the past, Capricorns. You were not able to trust people, but now you will start trusting, you will start believing them. Okay, so new vitality, spread your wings. So in the month of October, there is something new coming. I feel you might have somebody from the past, or you will have somebody new also coming. So I see a lot of choices coming to you in the month of October, Capricorns. And spread your wings means do what makes you happy. Do what makes you feel that you are yourself, not somebody else. So that is a message for you in the month of October, Capricorns. Right? So this is a beautiful reading for Capricorns. Let's see what fairies have to say, what message they have for you. Okay, and again I have forgotten to keep my specs with me, so I'll be reading. One sec. Okay, one message for Capricorns for October. Transformation. Beautiful. So there's a transformation time coming to you, Capricorn, right? Something is transforming in your life. Maybe your feelings, maybe your work, maybe your relationship, they're getting better. Exactly the way you want it to be. So transformation is happening. When transformation is happening, there are relationships will leave, some will stay, and whatever will stay, remember that will be good for you. Okay, so this is a beautiful month for you, Capricorns. That's lovely reading. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, share it with family and friends, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye. Bye.